Hey, this is Jason. This is a 91 Range Rover Classic that I'm tinkering with and doing a bunch of improvements to. And this specific button for the fog lights, which also has another set of auxiliary LEDs on the front, when you push it in currently, sometimes it sticks, and now you can see it doesn't stick. So what I need to do is replace it. I bought the replacement part on eBay. And the replacement part, I think I spent maybe $13 on it or so. And you can see on the back, it pretty much just pops in. But in order to get the piece of the new button in, you have to pop this plastic trim off. But I'm told, given this vehicle is so old, I kind of knew this, but it was advised that I'm very careful, because if you don't pull this straight off and pull one side and then the other side, you risk breaking the tabs behind this plate. As hard as it is to get plastic parts, I want to be very, very mindful that I don't break something while fixing something else. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to put a really small Phillips head behind here and kind of behind here, and hopefully apply the same amount of pressure so it just pops off the front. And then I'll show what I'm working with once that comes off. So I was able to get it off, and I will say that the left side popped out a lot easier. I'm trying to get a good view here for you than the right side. But the tabs are these little guys right in here and in the back, and then here on the front, and then one in the back. And of course, if I was to break these tabs pulling this out, it would be a bit of a pain to get it in and keep it. And the tabs just go right in these holes to pop back in. So in theory, I should be able to remove this, pop it out, and pop the new switch in and mount everything back up. So let me see how this old plastic comes out of the old switch. I am kind of feeling like it's my lucky day today, because this plastic is not breaking, which is always my fear working on this truck. But just to explain what you have to do, when the other button, when it's mounted in, let me zoom out here, hang on. So basically, you have this tab right here. So this is in the plate. You're going to have to push this tab down very gently and pull the old button out. I haven't pulled it out quite yet, but basically I'll pull it, I unplug the white area, and then I can just gently pull out the old button like so, and I can put my new one in. Once the new one's in, that little tab will clasp. I can plug the white plug in the back, and I should be good to go. And you can see the new one, it clicks properly. I'll probably clean the old one and see if I can fix it. But that's basically how you would replace it. Just remember, this white plug goes into the new switch and pop everything back in. Thanks for watching. I know this video is a little shaky. I'm doing it on my cell phone and trying to hold it. But I'm hoping if you have a 91 Range Rover Classic and you have to replace some buttons like I did, it may validate what you already know, and you know, that's good, or it might teach you something new. This is the first time I've done it, and I have a lot of little things like this on this truck to fix. Thank you for watching. Check out the blog, jamz.net, and you can see all the Range Rover tutorials and everything on the Discovery One, the Classic, the L322 that I do. Have a great day. See ya.